Happy Wednesday fashion vlog everyone. Today's video is we gonna do unboxing. So I ordered this box and it comes as I believe is over a week. So I surprised because mostly it's total 3 days I received already, but this time is more than a week. So come on guys, let's do unboxing for this box. So I'm wanna let you know what is this one inside of the box. So let's do it. And now we have to do unboxing. So I'm so excited what is inside of this box. Perfect. And here we come guys. Look at this. I love how the way they do wrapping. So finally, now I know how to order. It's so nice. So let's see what is this one. Ta-da! Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at that. There's no card in here. So let's see if it's here. But by the way, this one guys that I ordered, this is gonna be one of the gift for my sister. So I need this to send it to Australia. Look at that. How it's so cute. Oh my god, hope I can wrap it up this one nicely. Oh man, I don't want to mess up because I'm gonna send it this. This is one of the gifts that I'm gonna give it to her. So I don't want to mention what is her name because I want to be surprised. Oh my god. I wish I can keep it but I cannot. So this is the one guys. I love it. Look at that, how the way they wrap it, it's so nice. So let's try and open this. Sorry for my mess, but I wanna see it. So, and you know, every time I always look something. Here we go. I always look for the authentication. So this is the one that you're gonna know if is it real or not, because sometimes they imitate the authentication mini book, but you can tell in this side if it's real or not. So it's see here. You can barely see it because it's the same color as a black. And so I'm not gonna too much do for this unboxing because as I see this is a gift that I'm gonna give it to someone that I'm very, very close. And this is, okay, I'll open it, this one. Hope I can do it this one when I re-wrap. It's fine. So this is gonna be that one, guys. I love it. Sorry, I make a mess in here and I'm looking for the greetings. So let's move that one. So this is gonna be the one, guys. Look at that. How nice is that? And you can do a crossbody. So it's very nice. It's white and black. And I will show it to you. Just a small peek. So the wrap is also white. And this one here is silver. That's the partner, guys. And you can even, oh, it's here. You can see it here clearly. And then you can even do like a shoulder bag. It's a two-purpose. Either you are, sorry to see that, doing this crossbody, or shoulder bag. It's gonna be like, I cannot do it. So this is the one, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like it, my unboxing. Although it's not a fully unboxing because I still have here something. But this one is my gift, so I don't really open it everything because I have to send it this somewhere. It's out of the country. And this is the one, guys. I love the color. I wish I can keep it, but it's not. Because this is a gift for a special someone for me. And she always there for me. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. By the way, guys, every Wednesday I promote my channel. So Monday is about food restaurant, Wednesday is about unboxing, shopping, and collection in my closet, and Friday is about our travels, adventures, hotels, wherever places we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like it my video. See you soon.